Here's a money hack rich people focus on, but poor people don't. Young people are attracted to being rich by the luxurious lifestyle, but you will never get this if you don't understand this hack. 40% of Americans' paychecks go to taxes. However, if you're a business owner, we get certain advantages. You can get tax off big purchases. If you go on vacation, you can write it off as travel expenses. If you want a new computer or a phone, you can write that off as well. Follow for more tips.
I have $1,000 and I want it to grow. What do I do? The first thing that I would do is open up a brokerage account. In Canada, I like Wealthsimple, and in the US, I like TD Ameritrade. Then I would deposit the $1,000 into the account, and I would use it to buy an ETF. What's that? Think of an ETF like a basket of stocks. Instead of just buying one company, why not buy little pieces of the biggest and the best from all around the world? Okay, so it reduces my risk. Yes. These are some of my favorites.
Five things that most people do with their money that rich people don't. Number one, they put money on impulse purchases. Rich people have a buying list and they stick to it. Number two, most people pay their credit card interest charges. Rich people, they pay off their credit card balance in full. Number three, most people pay extended warranties on small items. If it doesn't break the bank, rich people don't buy warranties. I'll explain why in the comments. Number four, most people gamble. We all know that the house always wins. Rich people, they put their money in guaranteed rewards and they play the long-term game. Most people, they put their money in Netflix, TV, cable. Rich people put their money in books, seminars, courses, classes.
How you can become rich within the next 2 years without doing anything. IAG is the company that owns British Airways, Iberia and a lot of other airlines. Due to the current global situation, their flights are at an all-time low and so are their stock prices. Because no one is travelling, the company is losing money. But what happens now won't last forever. We all know the world will soon get better and people will start going on holiday again. Meaning, if you invest right now and wait till around next summer to sell, your money could have almost doubled. So, invest some spare money, sit back and get rich. Thank me later.
So if you're a beginner in trading the Forex market or the stock market and you have no idea how to analyze a chart, let me give you the simplest strategy. So we call it the ABCD pattern, and it's one of the most basic patterns you can learn in the market. And it goes like this: A, B, clone this, paste it forward, and now you have C, D, A, B, C, D. So all this pattern tells you is that this is an equivalent move to this, so when price gets to here where the pattern ends, we should likely see another downturn like we did here. So now get this, watch what happens when price reaches that final D point. You can see we can't get past it and we do start turning back down. Now go make some money.
You must avoid this trading mistake to get better results. If you buy a stock and you see it breaking down, don't buy more. Don't buy it just because it's cheaper now and you think it's on sale. You never know how low it can go. May dalawang possible na mangyari in this scenario. You panic and you sell at the bottom at such a huge loss and then you feel bad when it goes back up. Or you just hope na it will recover kaya you wait for weeks, months, or years for it to go back up, turning you into an instant investor when that wasn't your plan in the first place.
So if you've ever wondered how people find stocks to trade, here's exactly how I do it. So if I'm looking for something a little more long-term, say I'm going to invest or maybe hold it for about a month, I'll use a website called finviz.com. You're gonna wanna hit screener. Once you do that, just go right up here to signal and turn that to most active. Then you wanna go over to market cap and turn it to large plus. This will only give you companies that are worth over $10 billion. Now you have about 5 pages worth of some of the most traded and safest companies on the market. So these are great for longer term investing because you know they're not going to go bankrupt anytime soon and they're likely to go up in the long run. If you're looking to day trade stocks, I recommend using tradingview.com and using its stock screener. It's not free, but it's pretty cheap at $15 a month. Click on stock screener, then go over to pre-market volume and filter that from high to low, and now you have some of the hottest stocks to trade for the day.
If you're under 18 and are interested in trading stocks, stop scrolling. I made almost $200 today, and the market's on sale right now, so there's really no reason not to learn this. To have the ability to buy and sell stocks, you're going to need a broker. And because you're under 18, you're going to need a broker that offers what's called a custodial account, which basically means that it's managed by a parent or guardian, but you get to control the actions. My favorite broker that does custodial accounts is E-Trade. You're going to want to go to their website, press open account, make sure you click on brokerage account, and then the most important type is custodial. And then you want to scroll down and press continue and follow the steps. Keep following the steps and build wealth.
Here's some tips for stock market beginners. First, go to Investagrams and search the stock of your choice. Here, you're gonna see price and volume movement of MegaWorld. And then you can also see fundamental analysis information such as earnings data and price to book value and other important financial metrics. And then if you want to see the price movement of a stock and indicators that will tell you whether a stock is in an uptrend or a downtrend, you can check out technical analysis. The good thing about the stock market is you can adapt your own style. Whether you're a long-term fundamental investor or you're a short-term technical trader, you can find the right strategy that works for you. If you want to learn more for free, just search for Investa University. We have tons of free contents here that will guide you from start to profit.
This is the best method to invest your money in. Now, I use chocolates, and I don't want to use any company names because of copyright purposes. So now you have $10 to invest. These are stocks. Each stock costs $3. You bought all 3 stocks. Next day, 2 stocks go down to $2 and 1 stock goes up to $4. You sell the stock that went up to $4 and you buy 2 of these that are $2. So technically, you have assets worth of $8, which means you lost $1. Now, after every inflation, there's always a deflation. The next day, these stocks would go up to 2.5. Now, you would sell all 3 stocks for 2.5 and you would make $10, but you made $1 profit because you bought the first 3 stocks for $3 each. And that's how you invest your money.
To all of my investors out there, are you disappointed that you keep missing out on these massive runs? Here we have Nikola, 265% run. Well, the answer is right in front of your face. Billionaire Ken Griffin just pulled the trigger on these 3 penny stocks. They have to be on your watch list. First off, we have Melindo Therapeutics, ticker MLND. Just take a look at this price target and analyst rating. This ticker is valued to be at $5.25 over a 12-month period. Today alone, the stock has climbed over 36% and is well on its way to $5. Don't miss this one. Next, we have ticker MEIP, Mayfarm. Ben Griffin's hedge fund alone acquired 1,055,000 shares of the value purchase, landing $1.7 million. This ticker is a strong buy and will be valued at $11.40 over a 12-month period. Finally, we have ticker KZR. This is going to be a strong buy and going to be valued at $15 per share. Like and follow for more investing content.
So you want to know how to identify trend changes when trading. I'm on the 1-minute chart time frame for ticker Microsoft, MSFT. On a downtrend, what you do is draw yourself a trend line across the tops of the candles. When you get a break of the trend line, that serves as your entry point. If you have increasing volume on the break of the trend line, the move is likely confirmed, right? So there's the move up. And then we top out again. We start downtrending. So draw yourself a downward trend line. There's your break of the trend line. There's your move back up. Again, downward trend line. There's your break of the trend line. There's your move up. That's how I was able to make $579 today on ticker Microsoft, MSFT.